What am I doing now? I'm a bit frying pork meat. The reason why I fry pork meat is for the stew. I wanna have seafood soft tofu stew tonight. That's for my dinner. As you will see, I already put some olive oil here and then put some green onion to make green onion oil. You guys also should try one day. If you are sick and tired of eating pizza and burger and pudding, whatever, sandwich, you can try some Korean food. I'm really glad to share whole process to make my seafood soft tofu stew. It's almost done. I mean, meat will be almost ready for the stew. It only took 5 minutes to fry this meat. And now I turn it off. And then just leave the meat on the fan about 1 and 2 minutes. And what I'm going to do, I will lift it up this one, as you will see. Before that, I need 1 pot. I need a scissor to cut it off. I need scissor to cut this off. It says when I need to use pot for cooking this one, just lift it up and pour everything. And I just need to boil about 5 minutes. But as you will see, I have just fried pork meat, so I will add some water. Oops, I will add some water here. And then, yes, it's my big picture. The reason why I fried this pork meat for this one, for the tofu stew. Tofu stew, seafood tofu stew is a main dish for my dinner. I believe fried pork meat make my stew more tasty and more juicy. You guys think stew could be juicy? Yes. It's flourish and juicy. In this instruction says I need to lead. Just here like I need to lead to just here like put the lead off, put the lead on, and just wait for 5 minutes. But I'm not doing that. The reason why is I want to see my food, how it is cooked well or not, and I want to share this whole thing with you guys. If you live in Edmonton in Canada or Calgary in Canada, you can get this one in Korean Mart. I mean H Mart, H Korean Mart. So it's just $5.99. I moved this pot because accidentally when I put this stew, just it's overflowing, so now it makes smoke, so I don't want smoke. I will just clean this one. Now I put it back here. Just in case I turn it on. Turn on the fan. As I told you, when you go to H Mart, if you live in Calgary or Edmonton in Canada, you can buy this one $5.99, and you can also buy this one, just pork meat. Pork meat, did you see it? $2.43. So my dinner is $8.43 plus tax. You guys, as you know, it's cheaper than burger set, combo set. in any franchise. Yeah. I guess it's almost ready to eat. Before I eat this one, I will just taste some. If it's good or not. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's really good. As I told you, I made green onion oil to make my meat flourish, taste, and as you will see, I fried this meat and I put this meat to my stew. It's almost ready. Wow. I can feel the taste of just juicy. When you cook just meat, you can feel the juicy meat. You can see just like a juicy of meat with your eyes. Absolutely, it's juicy. Seafood, soft tofu. Wow. It's great. It's totally good to go. So I will eat this one with white rice and kimchi. I'm Korean. So thanks for watching my video, and if you like that, just please press like or dislike, whatever. And if you subscribe my channel, you can see more video and short. Thank you. Enjoy your meal and enjoy your dinner and have a nice weekend, guys. Thank you. Bye now.